got a 2017 Genesis G80. If you want to get to your cabin filter, check it out, change it. It's going to be behind your glove box. First move is going to be disconnect the damper over here, and all you got to do is just pull on it, okay, and it'll disconnect. And then inside the glove box you have these knobs. You're going to need to turn them counterclockwise, and you can remove them. That's what holds your glove box in position, I guess you can say. But it's a little tricky to get out, but they come out counterclockwise. Okay, there's the other one. Now the glove box will fall down. And right here is where you're going to have the cabin filter. You're going to squeeze this tab here, and the door will come right off. It sits inside that way, so just remember that when you go to put it back on. So you go like this, just slam it closed. Here's the filter. This one should be fairly clean. This one's in pretty good shape. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you. Get your new one, just slide it right in there. Just take note of the airflow direction. Get the door, slap it back on there. Bam. No problem.